Okay, welcome back to the garage today. Today we're underneath my wife's 2023 Honda Pilot with the all-wheel drive. What I'm going to go over with you is how to change the differential fluid. I already did it, so I'm not going to actually dump the fluid here in this video, but I'm just going to show you the basics, what you need to know so you can do it at home yourself. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove this fill plug right here. The reason we want to remove that first is we want to make sure that if we dump the fluid, we can get that plug out and be able to refill the differential. So that is a 3/8 square drive. So what you can do is just take your ratchet and you can just stick it right into the plug like so, and you can break it free. If you're worried about working around this harness, what else you can do is remove your ratchet, and there is a hole back here in the cross member of the subframe. You can stick an extension through and then stick your ratchet onto the backside, and you can loosen it up that way. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your drain plug, which is here. This is the front of the differential. Front of the car is that way, rear of the car is that way. And you can do the same thing. You can take your 3/8 drive and you just put it right inside that plug, and you're going to loosen it up. Once you take this plug out, you're going to drain all your fluid into a pan. On the back side of this plug, there is a magnet. You're going to want to clean all that off, especially if this is the first time changing it. There's going to be a lot of material on there from the clutches breaking in and all the gears breaking in. Once it's completely drained, you'll put a new crush washer on here. You can get that right at the dealership. Put your new crush washer on and torque this to spec. Can't stress that enough. Buy yourself a good quality torque wrench, torque this to spec, and then you'll refill here. Our Pilot takes 2 quarts of fluid. Last time I went to the dealership, they actually gave me Acura branded fluid, but it's all the same. The Acura part number just has an A at the end. Other than that, the part number is identical. And when you go to refill it, you'll want to use one of these fluid pumps, just like this. So basically, this will screw into the container. This pump here, you pump, and this will go into the differential here. And the best way to do it is to sneak it through this hole in the cross member, and you'll put it right into your fill port, and then you'll use this end in your bottle, and you'll just pump it like that to pump your fluid in. It's going to take about 1.7 quarts. Basically right about the time it's full, at least for me, the 1.7, it was leaking out of here when I had it parked on the ramp. So. Any questions or comments, please hit me up in the comments section and I'll try to help you out. I'll look up the torque values for our 2023. I'll put them in the comments section as well, but I highly recommend it. You look it up for your application for your Honda or Acura. Talk to you soon. Thanks.